Hello students, today we are going to do question number 8, and the question says A is the point 3 minus 1 while AB vector in column form 2 minus 4. Part A, AC is equal to 2 times AB. Find the coordinates of the point C. So we have to find out the coordinates of the vector C. To do this question, we are given AB vector in column form 2 minus 4. So, and they have said that AC is equal to 2 times AB. We have to use the given information to solve our question. Yes, AC is equal to 2 times AB. What does this mean? This means that AB vector is given 2 minus 4. Put the value over here and just simply solve this. 2 to 4, 2 4 8, 2 multiplied by minus 4 minus 8. And yes, here another important point to note is that AC is, we can write the vector AC as OC minus OA. Yes, OC minus OA. If you are confused about this point, why we write AC is equal to OC minus OA, you have to just watch my video lesson on the basics of vectors. Yes, so where is the question? Here is the question. So just watch the basics on the vector topic. So here the point A is given. The point A is given, that is 3 minus 1, and we have just find out that vector AC. So just plug in this value, 4 minus 8 equals, yes, OC minus, and we can write this in column form 3 minus 1. Now just solve this one. OC is equal to 4 minus 8 plus, because when we bring something to the other side of the equation, the sign changes. If this is minus, this becomes positive, and if this is positive, and then that becomes negative. Now just solve it. 4 plus 3 7, minus becomes plus, 8 plus 1 9, but the sign is of minus. Yes, so the question asked was we have to find out the point C, find the coordinates of the point C, that is OC is equal to C minus 9. This is the answer. Why this is why we write this point as OC? So in vector form, the point C can always be written as OC with reference to some origin. This point C, that is the coordinates are 7 and minus 9 if we are going to write this in coordinate form, and if we are going to write this in vector form with reference to some origin O, then this becomes a vector. Then we have to write this in column form, or just remove the sign of comma, this comma, just remove this one, write this in this column form. Yes, so This was a very important question, the part 1. And the part B says the length of vector AB is, actually this was a vector, the length of vector AB is k times under root 5. Length means the magnitude. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. We have to find out the value of k. You can pause the video and you can copy this because I am going to remove this. Okay, the point B saying that the length of vector AB is k times 5 and find the value of k. So vector AB, length of vector AB or magnitude, and we know that magnitude is equal to the square root, the under root of the square of x-axis plus x coordinate plus y coordinate, and this is the vector B AB. So this 2 is x coordinate, so 2 square plus, and this minus 4 is the y coordinate, minus 4 square, 4 plus 16, and this is equal to under root 20, and this is equal to we can break it into 4 multiplied by 5, and this can also be written as 4 under root 5 in separate form, and we know that under root 4 is equal to 2 and this is 5, and we are given that the length of AB is equal to k times 5. Here this is the length of vector AB or the magnitude of vector AB. AB is equal to k times 5, and the value of the magnitude of AB is 2 under root 5. This is k times under root 5. So yes, here these two similar, they cancel out and 2 is equal to k, so the value of k is equal to 2. Yes, this was a very important question, oftenly appear in GCSE exams, so be careful about this and practice this question several times. You can pause the video and copy the working and watch again the video if you are in confusion. Otherwise, this is I have tried to solve this in a simple way. So thanks for watching. In the next video we will further solve some advanced question on the topic of vector. Please share, like, comments and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.